Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be a quick tutorial on how I get this look right here with a peeled face and a pumpkin head coming out from underneath. I hope that you guys like it, and if you want to see how it's done, then just keep watching. And going in with a flesh colored lip pencil, I'm just outlining exactly where I want the peeled face to be, just to kind of give me a rough estimate on where it is. Then you're going to take your cotton ball and you're just going to unravel it, and after you get it into a nice piece, you're going to separate it into 3 smaller pieces just so they're nice and thin, so when you lay them on it's just not too much all at once. Then I'm going to lay one of the small pieces of cotton all along that outline. Then covering the cotton with some latex just to seal it all in. We're going to let it dry and put about 3 layers. So I ended up just using the 1 piece of cotton, but I did run 3 layers of latex over it. Once it seems pretty dry, I'm going to go ahead and put a layer of foundation on. And taking my finger, I'm going to put a little layer of foundation right over the latex just to really cover it up. Then I'm just going to start peeling up the latex on that one side. And taking just a little bit more foundation on a brush, any part that I feel like I missed or still has some latex showing. Then I'm going in with a jumbo eyeliner pen and just giving myself an outline of where I want the eyes and the mouth to be. So just going in and kind of roughly outlining it. And here I'm using the Ben Nye MagiCake Aqua paints in the color orange. And I'm going to spray my brush with some water because these MagiCake paints are water activated. So I'm just gonna brush this all along. It's okay if you cover the outline of the mouth because it's still gonna show underneath. I just wanted to have that outline there for myself a little later. Taking any red shadow, you're just going to go into the shadows and deepen them up a bit, give it a little bit of depth. Then going back in and blending those red lines out so they're nice and shadowed and thick. And with any shadow that you put in, you want to go in with some highlights. So I'm just going in with a light orange eyeshadow and just highlighting up those high points of the pumpkin. And taking the same jumbo eyeliner pen, I'm just going to fill in my eye and my mouth roughly. Now I'm just throwing on some eyeshadow and some mascara for the eye that doesn't have the pumpkin on it. And here I'm taking a cream white highlighter and just putting it on top of those spots on the pumpkin that I really want to pop. And taking a finer eyeliner pen here, I'm just sharpening up all those lines on my mouth and on my eye. I almost forgot about my nose, so I want to go in and cut out my nose and give it a nice darkened out look that's going to match my eyes and mouth. And going in with one of my favorite products, this is Scab Blood, and I'm just going to take it at the edge of the peeling face to give it a nice fresh look. And just taking any kind of FX blood, and I'm just going to run a Q-tip right over it with some blood just to give it a nice realistic effect. Alright guys, to finish this look off, we're just going to sharpen our eyebrow up and give it a nice groomed look, and we are all done. So that's it guys. Hope that you guys like it. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!